Good morning, students. Today, we will have our different activities wherein we need to test your speed, your power, your agility, and many more. This is known as the physical fitness test. Physical fitness test aims to measure the strength and weakness of a person. Before we proceed to the different activities, it is very important to do the stretching, or what we call the warm-up. This helps the body prepare from strenuous activities and also prevent from different forms of injuries. In doing the stretching, it is very important to start from head going to the foot. As you switch from one form to another, all you need to do is to count from 1 to 8. Sit and reach. This is a flexibility assessment to determine the condition of your lower back and hamstring. You need a tape measure and a mat to perform this assessment. Spread your legs while on a sitting position. Place a measuring tape or a meter stick between your legs and arms. The midpoint of your knees serves as the starting point to measure the distance of your reach. Bend your trunk slowly. Keep your knees straight and point your hands toward the tape. Measure the distance from the 0 centimeter point up to the point where your middle finger touches the floor. Then ask your partner to record the longest distance made as shown by the measuring tape. Make 3 attempts. Push-up. This is performed to test the upper body strength and endurance. You need a floor mat and a timer to perform this assessment. The following procedure is for boys, but it can be modified for girls. Instead of placing their feet slightly apart, girls may cross their legs while pushing up. Girls must make sure that their knees are placed on the mat. Lie face down with your abdomen on a mat or the floor. Place your hands on the floor, with shoulders at chest level, back straightened, knees locked, and feet slightly apart. This will be your starting position. Slowly lower your body again until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle. Slowly return to starting position by letting your hands press the floor. This will push your body upward. Repeat the routine and continue counting until the timer reaches 1 minute. Standing long jump test. This is performed to test your leg power. You need a meter stick or a measuring tape and a piece of chalk or marking pen. Stand upright behind the starting line. Bend your knees. Swing your arms backward. Jump forward. Both your feet should touch the floor together and at the same time. Mark the position on the floor where your feet landed. And then, get the distance from the starting point to the marked position. Make 3 attempts and record the longest distance covered. Use the tip of the heel of one of your feet nearest to the starting line as the point in recording the distances. Stork Balance Test. This is performed to measure the ability to balance on the ball of your foot. You need a non-slip surface and a stopwatch to perform this assessment. Remove your shoes. Place your hands on your hips. Raise one foot. Put it on the side of your knee. Find your balance. If you are ready, slowly raise your heel. Start the timer. Your partner will hold the stopwatch for you. Stop the timer if the following happens. Your hands are removed from the hips. The other foot moves in any direction. The raised foot wiggles and loses contact. Your heel touches the floor. Record your time. Make 3 attempts. Rate the best time. 20-meter shuttle run. This is used to measure your speed and agility. This test is usually administered to athletes. Set the marker cones 10 meters apart. Place 2 wooden blocks near the cones. Stand behind the line or marker. Run when the whistle blows. Start the timer immediately. Pick up a block, bring and place it to the opposite side. Return to get the other block and place it on the same side. Do this as fast as possible. After putting down the 2 blocks properly, stop the timer. Record the time for the whole run. Make 3 attempts. 1-minute curl-up test. This is performed to measure the strength and firmness of your abdominal muscle. You need a mat and a wristwatch to perform this assessment. Lie supinely on the mat or floor. Bend your knees. Keep your knees and feet together. Cross your arms over the chest with fingers touching the shoulders. This will be your starting position. Sit up slowly until your elbows touch your thighs. Return gradually to your starting position. Repeat steps 1 to 3. Count the number of repetitions for 1 minute and record it.